Hello guys, this is just going to be a quick video showing off one of our in-house systems that we have written for localization. So we store the tools on the tools XYZ gaming and localization, and here we have the module editor. Now, first of all, the module editor only works with CSV files. So if I try to load in something that isn't a CSV file, you can see I get an error there, couldn't validate the module. So I'll load in the default language module right now. If I reload, you can see that it says that I have loaded the default language module. In here, I can make some changes. So I can change English, the name of the module, to something like hello, and I can save the changes. I'll go over to the Swedish language module, and then I'll reload the default one so you can see the text here changing back to hello. So that's working all fine and dandy. Now, a language module wouldn't be anything without keys. So I can open up the keys editor here, and I can add a key. We'll do main menu start game, like that. And I'll save the keys, go back to the language module and reload. I'm getting the start game key. So here I can do, in English, I'll do start game. I'll save the changes to the module. Then I'll go to the Swedish module, reload, and you can see here that the Swedish module doesn't have anything in right now. So I'll do start spelet, which is Swedish for start game, and I'll I will change the module now to something completely different. So I'll change it to like the pause manager and try to save. You can see I'm getting an error saying you cannot save the module to non-CSV files. So I'll do, okay, I'll go to the default language module, which is English, and I'll try to save the Swedish language module here. You can see I'm getting another error saying that it is not the expected path for this language module. So I'll go back to the Swedish language module. I'll clear the console for clarity, and I'll press save, and you can see that it's saved. If I go back to the English language module, which is the default language module, and I press reload, you can see that I am getting the start game now. So everything is also dynamic. If I were to add keys and save these and reload, I'm getting the new keys on all of the language modules, which is very, very neat. And on top of that, the system works in a way where the default language module and any language module that we make defaults, they are loaded into the game. They are loaded into the game from the actual game files, whilst external language modules will be loaded at runtime, meaning if you're, say, a Spanish-speaking person who will never ever play the game in Chinese, we can actually include all of the other language modules as more of like runtime assets, so you can remove them to get rid of that tiny overhead. This will also allow players from around the world to modify and create their own language modules. So if we don't have the capacity to create, say for example, a Korean language module, our community could actually help us out by donating their free time, creating a Korean language module, and they could upload it to some kind of a mod website, and other people could download it and just import it into the game with no errors whatsoever. So it's a very versatile system. I am very proud of it, and it's going to be great working with this for our future projects. Now, we haven't really made a name for ourselves. You have no idea who I am. You have no idea what XYZ Gaming is. But basically, my name is Timmy, and me and my friend Simon made this company called XYZ Gaming, where we intend to create short, mainly horror experiences. And this is just one of the tools that we are currently developing to make that a reality. So the tool is not public as of now. I might make it public later. I just wanted to show the progress that we are going through and show you that things are happening on our end, even though we are currently very still on Instagram and all that jazz. So yeah, hopefully you found this interesting, and Let me know if you have any questions. Have a great day.